Oh god, don't eat the whole thing. Don't eat the
Oh my god, who ate the pizza? No way! Ow!
Like, you literally sound like a cat, I'm not gonna lie.
I just come in the bathroom and look at fucking kneecaps.
No! No!
Mom! I caught a seagull!
The seagull. Dance. Good boy.
It's still in his neck!
Oh, throw a rock on that shit, TJ.
I got bad aim.